Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How are you? How is everybody? Who's in here already? Oh, come on. There we go. Fingers crossed. Rosendo, good morning. Good morning. Everybody had a good weekend. Morte's in here, ready to short. Checkers, 90, 95, 95. Saludos, buenos días. All right, what we got today? So, I kind of was already looking at some stocks. What is everybody looking at so far? Let me go down my usual list. RDBX somehow is still holding most of his moves. 573 is his high. I'd like to see 550 first on RDBX. Anybody taking trades already? So, Darth Trader, what's up? Mijo. Mijo chulo o qué? Soy chulo? Good morning, Blair. Back in here. Millie says GOVX. Morte GOVEX. I'm guessing it's GOVX. SIGA. SIGA somehow did not break that high from market close 17.5. It came right up to 17.45. But SIGA can come back up, man. SIGA, I'm excited. If we get trades on SIGA, volatile stock, can play a little aggressive and make good money, lose a good amount of money, you know. And then we got, what else did we got? GOVX. GOVX looks good. High of 208. On the 180, we're coming back above 180 SMA, so we can get a little bit squeeze. This is kind of a little bit squeeze. Started last Friday, market close. Yeah, I figured that. Morte, got you, got you. So GOVX for sure. I'm gonna put that on my second best chart up here. I got SIJ first, GOVX second. Somebody's calling out CBIO, I believe. Let me go look at CBIOs, what you said, right? Oh, actually, I forgot that I'm also on YouTube. I'm not promoting it yet, but I guess if somebody's on YouTube, I will have your chart or your chat open now. So let me look at the gappers and then I can block them with my chat. So CNCE as well as on there. CNCE on there, and then I saw Pola in there, and then somebody's calling out CBIO in there. All right, let's see. I don't know if you look at it on Thinkorswim. I usually just use my trade ideas. CBIO is already up way too much to chase. Oh, $1. It's also pretty cheap. I'll make sure I'm not missing another one. Yeah, this is up. It is a pretty good clean move though. I'm still gonna put it on my least important chart, but at least have an eye on it. It's held the move pretty good. GOVX is the one that's coming back up a little bit. So SIGA popped up and popped down. I don't like to see that. That move is not clean. Unless it actually holds it. Like popped up and then all the way down and gave that whole candle back. So let's see if we can actually hold it and get above BWAP on that one. You do look like you have a downtrend somewhere through here. Seems pretty high. But we'll just see. We'll just see. Good morning, Joey. Welcome back. Ape Trades, welcome back. Good morning. So today marks first day of your new career. Full-time trading begins. A little bit of pressure to make some money today, huh? No, I gotta make money for sure. I'm just kidding. I'm already making money. But let me see. What was the other one that you guys mentioned? I don't think I've looked at. CNCE, $5.08. This one looks okay. And when you pick up some volume, get back up here. But you're right, Dark Trader. Today, guys, is the first day I don't have to work. Which I already knew that, so I made a grooming appointment, but not until like 12 for my dog. So I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Oh, Pola looks terrible. I don't know why I put it on there. It had low volume. So, what's up, Venkat? Good morning. Everybody's giving Darth Traders new career right here. I'm a day trader. I can call myself a full-time day trader now. Mariom94 says, "What's up, bro? How are you? How's everybody's weekend? I'm liking GOVX a little more now that SIGA popped up and failed. So is CBI. Oh, CBIO's got a strong resistance at $1. Let me see. There's got to be another stock. Oh, RDBX. I'm gonna put RDBX on my other chart. RDBX might not be done. Let's see. GOVX, my number one. Yep, that's what I'm looking at. What's up, Karian? Let's see. I'm gonna go look at RDBX again. If I can find it, there we go. I'm gonna drag it to the bottom of my watch list so I can find it. Oh, now RDBX pulled back. I don't like that. Clean move on Friday though. I don't think I traded this one at all. Or maybe this is the one that I ended up chasing and I left. And I lost some money. I don't remember. Quick way to find out if it shows it. Show my trades. Apply. Okay. I don't see anything. But I don't trust this thing because a lot of times I show trades and it still doesn't show it. So I actually don't know if I traded it or not. I don't remember. So what is my number one top pick? Honestly, I'd rather see SIGA because of that volatility of quickly going from $16 to $17 to $18 new high, you know. I mean, a trade from 15 to 16 to 17, that's $2 moves right there, right? So this could give me a better return on what I want to play, right? But it's pulled back a little too much. We're under VWAP. GOVX, on the other hand, this move right here, coming pull back above VWAP, high of right there of 208, that looks pretty clean. So I'm probably, and then now you got a downtrend break right here. I'm gonna be watching GOVX, and then CBIO looks good. It has held most of its move. So we'll see, but it's very cheap stock, very slow moving. So I mean, you're gonna be looking at 5-10 cents at the most on that one. GOVX on the other hand, I mean maybe a 10 cent, 20 cent move, something like that, and not as cheap, so a little bit more stable, I guess. So that's what I'll be looking at. RDBX looked okay until it just start pulling back. Let me look through these old ones and see if I find another one that I might like. Grab, no. CMRX, no. INDP, no. I'm gonna take it out. TNXP, no. Neuro, pulled back all the way. DPSI, man, DPSI had that one good day and then gave it all back. PIK, no. AGRI, maybe. AGRI, we're still moving on AGRI. AGRI, we got a high of 333. 334. AGRI doesn't look bad, actually, guys. AGRI is coming back up. Just now, we got a high of 334 from Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, so less than 5 days ago. And then after that, I mean, we could keep running on this one. We keep running $4 or something like that, right? VRU never got over that 15. This is the one I was telling you guys. So you got this right here at 15.13 right there. We could not, once we got above it, we ended up rallying, and then we came below it, tested it once, flushed after that point, came back up right up to it again, could not get above it, flushed, came back up to it again, couldn't hold it, flushed, and now we really flushed all the way down. So unfortunate to see, but that level was pretty important on VRU, and I was able to call it pretty early, but unfortunately we never got over it. So SIGA, GOVX, INO. What is INO? Not that interesting. GOVX, man. GOVX looks good. GOVX. On VRU, yeah, it was just kind of a resistance, yeah. It worked out pretty well though, since I was able to call it, and it held pretty good. Nobody's taking any pre-market trades. Nobody. I don't usually trade pre-market, but do we have anybody new on the stream today? I know a couple of people were DMing me and asking me on Twitter, on not Twitter, on TikTok and stuff. So any new people on the chat today? Welcome, if there is. Kyrian is on GOVX. Did you get this dip off $1.80 or something like that? Lots of people use these zones to trade, but I never figured out how to draw them. Wild Boy's in here. I see him typing. Nice. Kyrian is. Bears are really trying to dominate the market fast. Yeah. Kyrian's already in on GOVX. Got a good dip buy, so he should be in some profit. Maybe take a little bit, put a stop loss, and then just let it run. See if we can get a new high of day. GOVX will have strong resistance at 2, previous resistance in daily chart, and is a whole dollar number. Be careful with the $2 rejection. Are you trying to tell me you're ready with a short order at $2, Morte? Is that what you're saying? But I see it. I mean, it's kind of the same thing here for supply and demand. You got up to $2, failed, got over it, rejected a little bit, couldn't hold it, failed, got back up to a retest it, failed, right? That's your little supply and demand. Resistance support, same thing. You're thinking long, but not getting in super close to 2. I see. Yeah, I would get the bounce of 2. So if you get up over $2, I'd get that little bit of a retest of $2 and then try to squeeze to 208, 210, get 10 cents on a trade. Not that bad. You don't know if you'll get that break of 210, but if you do, then you're ready with it. If not, you take some profit up there and you're good to go. Move up your stop loss, break even. You can't lose. You just can't lose. Can't lose like that. It's a lot easier said than done, right? Let's see. RDVX actually pulled back up a little bit. Low volume, though. I'd like to see this one with volume. Friday we had a good day. There's no way we just leave it alone. And SIGA pulling back, man. I hope we get at least some trades. I don't want to have a no trade day or a very slow day. We got an uptrend on SIGA. I wonder if this will pop down during market open and then pull back up, bounce off of it. Anyone running options, just be careful with the theta now. The value of options are going down and theta is increasing. Just make sure you pay attention. We may see some sideways action that can just slowly dwindle your account. So since I'm gonna have more time, I started looking at a lot more swing plays. So if I see anything good or anything like that, make sure to let you guys in on my opinions and my thoughts and stuff like that. Here's GOVX back up to $2. I am kind of curious if SIGA will pop down to that trend line support on market open and maybe get a tiny little bit dip down there. Candle dips below that, buy that dip and push it right back up to finish above, close above. Oh my gosh. It's early. I can't be zooming in like that already. Right? So on SIGA, what I'm talking about is if this candle, see like that candle has a big wick and close high, I want to see if maybe we get a move here at market open where this candle dips all the way down, buy somewhere in that dip, and then have that candle come back and close above that support, right? I'm going to be watching it. It's a risky stock, so if you get a super low entry, that's good. GOVX looks like it's going to be the market open trade if it can hold another 30 seconds because so which one do we think, guys? SIGA or GOVX? Market open trade. We got 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. We got 20 seconds till market open. Monday, start of the week. Let's get some good trades in. Good start of the week. Let's end up green. Mursa, you got 10 seconds. Come on, get in here. Buy GOVX, Mursa. Ooh, that was a quick little bounce down to $2. It's gonna hit a new high, isn't it? So this one's gonna pull back. SIGA is gonna pull back to that area. SIGA is gonna pull back to this support area. Drop down a little bit more, maybe. Did not drop where I wanted it to. GeoVX doesn't have any news. Price target of $6. That pulled back too much. There's that downtrend support, but did not hold, so I'm going to leave it alone. Momentum scanner is now live, guys. CBIO popped up one real quick. Let's see. Oh my gosh, everything popped up and failed right away. Bears are still in control. RDBX is actually the one that's popping up now. So let's go back and look at RDBX. High of 573 on RDBX. Can we actually keep picking up more volume on RDBX and keep going back up to 550 is the next level? We want to go up and hold 550 on RDBX. Both GeoVX and SIGA and CBIO pulled up first market open candle and gave it all back. So unfortunately there. Ali Concha, welcome in. Glad you're here with us. AGRI also moving back up. AGRI has a high of 334, so let's see on AGRI if we can get up to 334. Oh, look at CBIO. No, GeoVX. The $2 mark again. Can we close above it and then get a dip at $2 on GeoVX? Or just squeeze. Ridiculous, man. Maybe a bounce play off of $2 now. 208, the previous high. No, it's just gonna squeeze. Ugh. It's gonna squeeze and fly, man. That was a move we were looking for and we missed it. Buzz left without us, for sure did. Now let's see if we get some sympathy plays on maybe RDBX, maybe on CBIO. RDBX I'm kind of interested on. Oh, that's too much of a pullback. CBIO can be the next one, but man, we missed that. Come on. Oh, Kyrian was in here. I forgot Kyrian was down low, down low. Hey, at least you made some money, Kyrian. Good job. Good trade there. Way to find that bottom. I think you were in down here at $1.80, so good job on that trade. I unfortunately missed it. Didn't want to chase it here just because everything has been rejected recently. Didn't want to buy a breakout trade. I was looking for the dip. Unfortunately, like Darts Trader said, bus left without us. So now we gotta find another way to get to our destination, which our destination is end up green today. That is our final destination. So let's see what we can make it happen. So far, Momentum Scanner is picking up American Airlines. I'm not going to go and trade American Airlines, so I'm leaving that alone. SIGA pulled back through that support and it's completely fading, so not fun there. CBIO turned around. RDBX volume is not there, so we can't really get a clean move through 550. 550 seems to be the resistance on that one. So let's see for sure, but that's why I was saying about sideways action. Sideways is no volatility, so you're right that top beats accounts up. Kind of what I was getting to. Yeah. So I know Kyrian had a trade on GeoVX there. Good job, Kyrian. Anybody actually caught that move on GeoVX squeezing up? I unfortunately didn't, so I left that one alone, but that was a clean move for sure. And I almost thought about the same thing on what I saw on IMMS last week. IMMS last week where I actually jumped in. The only reason what was the It was IMMS something, right? MMSI? No. MMMMIS? No. What am I thinking of? You guys know what stock I'm trying to think of. The one that went sideways all morning and then finally got that squeeze and then I decided to jump in on it after that break. I can't think. Let's look at CBIO still. IMMX. Yeah, that one. Okay, I'm back on, I'm not in on it, but I'm back looking at CBIO. See how that first move on GOVX just doesn't hold? IMMX. So look at this move on IMMX. Oh, hold on. I'm still looking at CBIO. CBIO, we want over $1.10 and possibly hold it. CBIO is stuck at $1 now, so let's see if we can get a break of $1. $1 is our pivot point right now. If we get through $1, we can hit 110, and after 110, we definitely squeeze to 101, and then we go to 104. Very small moves on this stock, so not what you want to look for. But if we can get us a small green start, then let's see. Candle's got 3 seconds to close. If it closes down here, I'm not interested. Yeah, I'm not interested. It might actually spike, but that double top to this and pulled back and closed low, and then the next candle triple topped on it. So what I was talking about on IMMX, so if you see this play here, it was very similar, right? So you have a sideways, very strong consolidation, right? And then I jumped in at the break of this way up here, 5,000 shares on Friday, right? Jumped in way up here. I felt comfortable taking that trade because I knew that there was a lot of sellers that actually were getting squeezed. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attempts to break that level. Couldn't break it. Finally got it. I took that trade, right? But on GOVX today, there was only one previous high right there. There was only one previous high. That one I was not so comfortable at taking that break because since there's only one high, the short sellers are still going to come in here and they could actually, as soon as that pops, they can actually flush it right back down, right? So did not feel comfortable taking that one as opposed to that IMMX trade. Does that make sense, kind of, guys? It's EVOK. Gosh dang it. EVOK. Yeah, sniper trades. I missed GOVX as well, so. But look at this, not holding it. And then now I missed CBIO for sure. Look at that. I missed 10 cents on a big move, so not that much, but still 10 cents is 10 cents that I could have capitalized on. Did not. Does that kind of make sense on that trade, GOVX, guys, why I didn't chase that one? I'm looking for my quality setups. My A setups is what I usually trade for, so that's why I left that one alone. CNC is coming back up. Said Blair said CNC is coming back up. RDBX is the one that I want. RDBX is what I like. $573 high. We need to get over 5.5 today. But RDBX, please RDBX, give us something. Sniper trades, missed that GOVX trade. Yep. Any other trades you're looking at? Sniper trades. $6 on RDBX if we get up there. Flashing lights. We got a new viewer, guys. Welcome in, Flashing Lights. I am mostly a long bias trader. A lot of people in here do short, though. We got some short specialists like Morte, Wild Boy. No, I don't short. Never really tried shorting. I think Thinkorswim limits me on it, but But yeah, we definitely got a lot of shorts in here. So are you a short bias? You're a long bias trader? And welcome into the stream, man. Appreciate it. So any questions you got, any stocks you want me to look at, anything, let me know, and we can help you answer some questions. Or if you're an experienced trader, then we can hopefully learn from you as well. So you're just now starting. Okay, RDBX and CBIO, SNMP. Yeah, I am mostly a long biased trader. Oh my gosh, SNMP. So far, we haven't taken any trades today. SIGA was a trade we were looking at market open if we could hold this bottom uptrend. We didn't hold that. GOVX, I missed that entry right below pre-market high. Squeezed without me, left it alone. CBIO, very choppy, very cheap stock. Didn't really want to play it. Ended up squeezing, left a little bit on that one. RDBX, I'm looking over 550. If we can hold 550, we can see volume come in and get back up to 573, which is the high of Friday. So all we need is volume to come in here. So Joey got in at 203 before it spikes up on GOVX, made profit. There we go, Joey. Good job, Joey. Blair got a quick dip on CNC for $52 profit. Do you think Siga is setting up for long, or do you think see signs of weakness? I try to go in the same direction as money, long or short. Wow, boy, there you go. Siga, I was looking at holding up this uptrend from pre-market. Now that we broke it, this could have been a short entry for that continuation down. So right now it looks weak to me, but if we end up coming back up anywhere in here, then it could look better. CBIO coming back up. Maybe we can get another high on CBIO. Very cheap stock though, so you're not going to be looking for a quick move. I mean a good move. Momentum Scanner is picking up NTNX. Let's go look at that. NTNX. $22. What's our high? 23.12. 23.12. Come on, guys. This is my first full day trader day. Officially my career, officially my job, officially what I do. And I can't make $0 today now. I got some bills to pay, man. I gotta pay off my my monthly car payments on my Ferrari. And that ain't cheap. I gotta make some money. Oh, and the Lambo too. I can't forget about the Lambo. It's just that one's not as expensive. IMMX testing $2. IMMX. Wasn't I just calling that one? Let's come back up. I almost got you there. You think I'm kidding or what? You want me to go show you? They're both green. Green's my favorite color. Siga, man. Siga, you're letting us down. I wanted you. I wanted you so bad. 15, 16, 17. Ugh, CBIO. CBIO came back up pretty aggressively. Let's see if we can get the break on this candle now. Maybe you take a trade over that 108 to 107, 107 to 101. See this? This looks good, but that candle is closing below, right? Not your probability trade. And then this candle's dancing below that level. Okay, now that's a little bit of a squeeze. We got 15 seconds on this candle. Let's see if we get a little bit of a quick dip on the next candle and rip through highs. Candle needs to close high, not below that for sure. 5 seconds left. It's looking a little weaker, but let's see if we can close high. Get a dip maybe off of... Oh, come on. This time it'll break it. Yeah. That should have been my entry there. I'm hesitating too much today. I don't know why. Oh well, it left 4 cents on the table there. So, not too bad there. I still be 100 trades when we rated. Got that dip on CBL. There we go. Somebody took that trade right there. Yeah. That candle needed to close above that level, and the second candle pop up right there. Unfortunately, I left that one alone again. Let's see if we get a dip back to 109 on this candle, and maybe I'll jump in if this candle closes above it, though. So if this candle closes below that 109 level, forget about it. CBIO, somebody's in at 108. I tried getting that dip, did not want to. Here goes a new high. Another double top, but buyers coming in. Time and sales is pretty green. Looks clean through 115. 115 will crack and then squeeze up to 117-ish maybe. RDBX pulled back way too much now, man. I'm gonna get in down there. Of course, the one candle I get in now, it actually fails. Got in at 111, so down here again. Let's see if now we can pull back up and break that 114 through 115 level. This would be my first trade of the day. Let's see if a big bounce of under there. Big bounce from 111 previous support. We need to hold this level here. This candle needs to close high, and then the next one really rip through that 114, 115 level. Let's see if we can get it happen. Let's see if we can make it happen. This candle has 15 seconds left. There we go. There's the 115 level. Take a little bit more out there. There's the 115 level crack. Actually, it paused right at 115, man. Can we keep squeezing a little bit more? 115 level crack. Keep squeezing up. I want to stop out. $177 first trade of the day. That'll probably pay my gas for a week for my Ferrari. So not so good. Not looking very good so far. I need a little bit more money to be able to pay it off to you know live. So good dip buy there off that bottom. 10,000 shares popped back up. Did not get that clean move, so I stopped out. But oh well. $171 on the day. Not too bad. I mean, I'm not seeing very much trades today, so I took half out at 114. Yeah, I think so. Right before that break. So good fill, I guess. Is that what you're saying? I missed it by a penny, but I was in at 110, I think it was, or 110 something 11, close to down there. Yeah. If Tesla breaks 660, is going to be a pop and squeeze shorts. Hopefully it happens and scare shorts. I need a traction for my option. I actually got in on some Tesla as well. GOVX trying to break VWAP. Yep, I see that. And RDBX also trying to break VWAP as well. If you're looking at short CBIO looks a little bit better now. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles not being able to get a pop here. So your short is below this 109 level there. Right there as we're speaking right now. So IMMX over $2 needs a little bit more volume. IMMX, I noticed it when you called it, but it is low volume, so you're not gonna get RDBX, man. RDBX needs to do something. Look at this candle right here. Break of oh, look at RDBX, guys. I'm gonna buy this dip. How did I get hills filled? 573 is a break for RDBX. RDBX picking up volume now. Here we go. Watch this squeeze here. Sell a little bit more. 573 is a break. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 573 is a break. We got 2,500 shares. I'm sorry if I'm yelling. Sorry if I'm yelling. Watch this squeeze through 573 and get up to 5.8. Come on, come on, come on. Please, 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 please. 2,500 shares is ready. Locked and loaded. Sniper Trade's got his trade above 574. Let's get this squeeze. Take a little bit more out since it's not really working in my favor. But watch this next candle. If this next candle closes right below and we get, there's the break. There's a clean break. Now let's keep squeezing these people out. Let's keep squeezing them out. Let's keep, come on, man. Where's the volume at? Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1,500 shares left. You should be squeezing 10, 20 cents above that. Come on. One more move up. One more higher move. One more higher move. There it is. Take out 500 left. Got 1,000 shares left. Got 1,000 shares left. Take a little bit more out on that high. 584. Can we get $6? 5.9. 5.9 to $6? Probably not, right? Probably not. Probably. Oh, 589. 589. Take out 200 shares at the top, right up there. We got 300 shares left. Can we break $6? 5.9. $6. $6 right around the corner. $6 is right there. $6 is right there. $6 is right there. Take a little bit more out. Say 100 shares left. Can we break $6? $6 to the penny. $6. There's the break of $6. I'm fully out. $761.68. That'll pay my gas, my rent, my everything, man. Big squeeze. I was looking at RDBX from the beginning, and I said RDBX can take off. RDBX can take off. $6 break right there. Woo! It's still flying. Man, I wish I had more. I wish I would have had more and held that. I knew this was going to take off. I knew this was going to fly. Oh, that was awesome. That is what I like to see. That is the squeeze, the momentum. That was incredible, guys. That was incredible, incredible, incredible. Halted at 632. $761 profit. CBIO looks like it wants another stab at $1.15. Can we get a $1.15 break? CBIO, $1.15 to the penny, and watch this squeeze through 115. Sympathy play to RDBX. People are like, oh, shorts are not in here today. Let's see if we can get a break. Maybe not. Sorry. RDBX, clean move right there. Clean, clean, clean. Let's go back. Let's go back and see what people said. CBIO, either squeezes or breaks. Dart Trader say, damn, you make that look so easy. Sniper Trades, the rest out. Sniper Trades stuck out something with me on that trade. He got in at not 595 and 605. I got out half at 570s right before. Actually, I should have held that through that break. And the next I got 5.9 and $6. So yeah, we got pretty similar fills. I was close to buying that dip. Blair missed it. Hey, no problem, Blair. Ali Concho, yes, RDBX is halted. Sniper Trade said another 450 in the green, up 80, up 850. Dude, you and I have like the similar profits every single day. I am up 761.68 plus, what was my other trade? CBIO plus 171.45. Up $933 today, guys. In what, 10 minutes? Almost $1,000 day in 10 minutes? Yes, sir. You got in at 573 break on RDBX. There we go. I called that out, guys. Who else? Did anybody take that trade with me as I was saying 573 break? I got in low. I got in low on this play. I had it on my watch. Look at this entry of 555. If only I would have bought 10,000 shares instead of the 5,000 shares that I bought, I'd be up more, and if only I held them more. So look at this clean move. This was that pivot point. I mentioned 550. 550 breaks. We can get that move to 573. I've been calling that all morning. We got the break of 550. Closed above it. Look at my confirmation, guys. Closed above it. Picture perfect. Picture perfect. Got in at 555 on that dip entry. Ripped through 570s. 570s. I'd called it out. 573 is that break. 573 is a high from Friday. If I mention 550 breaks, we get that volume come in here. 573 will break. came up, started dangling, dancing. Shorts were like, not so fast. You got to work for it. And we ended up taking that 573, and the rest is history. 580, 590, $6, 610, 620, 630, 632 halted. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Morte thinks CBIO will sell off here. I see somebody on YouTube commenting, got a tiny piece of RDVX holding 200 shares into the halt. Good job, Crypto Wired 247. There you go. This halt might be a good move for you. If you get a quick spike on that halt, you might want to take some profit out. I don't know that this is going to be a stock that just keeps halting up unless we get back up to those $10, $11. That's our high from almost about a month ago, I believe. If we really keep coming up. So let's see, what time does this get halted at? 8:52, 8:56. We got 4 minutes on the clock. Let's see if we get unhalted pretty soon here. Joey says, woohoo, awesome trade, Juan. A great start for a full-time trader. Heck yes, man. Awesome, awesome. Sniper Trades, good job on your trades, man. Good job there. I don't know if you had it on watch or you ended up jumping right to it because I called it out. Either way, good job making your profit. Up 850, good start to the week. Congrats. Juan Trades, clean trade, bro. Appreciate it. GOVX trying to break $2. GOVX still with that $2. You know what? Now it's time to relax a little bit. Wait. Now it's time to just watch the market slow down a little bit, save my voice, drink some water. Dang, I wish I had 10,000 shares there. I also wish I didn't take them out there from 550 to 630. That's a dollar move for the 5,000 shares I had. Oh, there's the unhalt. Oh, that is not looking nice. 650 break though, maybe. Yep, 650 break right there. Almost had an order ready. I almost pulled the sniper trade right there. Would have gotten 10 cents if I got filled. I want to see something. Hey, so who uses the ladder on Thinkorswim? Because I don't use it to buy, but if I wanted to place an order above that 650, if I put it above the price, it says buy 500 stop. Does that still buy it? Does anybody know? So I don't know if you can see it. You can see if I put it up here, right? Yeah, right there, right above my momentum gapper. I mean my small cap gapper. It says buy 500 stop. If I put that, does that actually just fill me? But it says buy 500 stop. Is that just a regular buy order? Can we get a next move on here? Oh my god, another clean move through that break. Another clean move through that break. That's what I'm saying. It should say buy 500 limit, right? Not stop. But why does it say... let me see. The ladder is limit orders. It's a limit order if I put it below the price. So right now it's like 666. If I go below 666 on the ladder, it says buy 500 limit. But if I go above the current price, it says buy 500 stop. That's weird, right? It should say buy 500 limits though if I want to buy a 500 limit. Let me just try it with one share at 670. 675. Let's see if it fills me in. If we get a break. Now I want to break with a one share. Let's see if it fills me in. Let's see if it fills me in. With 24/7 customer support and access to product specialists to help you. Please fill me in. Okay. 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 Okay, it does fill you in. That's kind of weird though.
On Disney Plus, what you're about to see is gonna melt your brain. Experience the Force. Where is he? Fun.
I love it.
And fantasy.
So I did take another trade. I'm gonna get rid of these things because these things are annoying. They get in my way. So I took another break right up here. This is your pivot point there. Good strong candle on the way up. Took that dip here. You should have taken that dip there. Double top, took that next dip, and you ripped through it. So I got in a little high on that one and then sold as we broke on the other side. So added about another $50, $60 on that trade there. So Sniper Trades also took another trade there, 6-3. Oh, he bought the dip off a halt, 6-3, and sold it 6-7. Good job, Sniper Trades. Good job, good job, good job. So Crypto Wire over on YouTube is saying he doesn't use the ladder though, only for trail stop. Yeah, I use the ladder for my stop, my complete stop when I have the shares. Like right now, I'd put a stop here if I use it. So just a quick way to click a price and just click stop right there. But I had never bought on that break, and that would have been one that I would have bought over that 650 and gotten that 10-cent scalp. But as soon as I was about to do that, it had a buy stop, and so it kind of threw me off a little bit. I think it should save buy 500 limits still, even if it's on top. But it filled me in on that last order. Let me go look at the trades. Let me go look at trades here, and let me go look at RDBX. Bought at 675. Yep, it did buy it. So cool, cool. Nice to know. Nice to know. Siga bounced off of Friday's high. Let's see. You're right. I somehow even have that marked. Perfect bounce right there. Did you get on it, Mersa? Sniper Trades, you pulled ahead, man. You pulled ahead from me. I increased it a little bit, and then you said not so fast. Let me come back in and beat you on it. So I'm up 171 on CBIO, 171.45. I should remember that number. 171.45, and on RDBX I am up 814.22. So hopefully 985, $15 short of $1,000. Hey, clean day, man. Oh, sorry, Crypto Wire. Sorry, appreciate that. Letting you know me that. Sorry about that. Is this your first time in the stream on YouTube or watching me trade live? If so, appreciate it and welcome in. Wait, are you the person that I was talking to on TikTok that you said you might join the stream today? Is that you? Let me know if that is you. Crypto Wire. Mersa missed that bounce play on Siga off of yesterday's highs. Crypto Wire, if you're on YouTube and can still hear me, let me know if that is you or not. Who was I was talking to on TikTok and told me you might join in today. Let me know. All right, let's see. Sniper Trades up 12.50 for the day. Strong way to start the week. Heck yes. Mersa missed that little bit of a bottom play on SIGA off of yesterday's highs. And then Millie is down $33 on GOVX. Hey, Millie, that's okay. $33, not that much. Nothing you can't handle. You'll get it back. Still up 52. Blair's is still up 52. Blair, did you ever have a red day, or are you still keeping your green streak? 14-day streak now, actually, for me. Awesome job, Blair. Awesome job, man. Blair was struggling. He was losing money. He was desperate to be profitable. Found me, started asking some questions, started watching me, and then look at him. 14 days green streak. Jesperanza, late to the chat. You missed it. Clean trade today. Clean trade. RDBX. Look at this momentum right here. Look at this squeeze right here. Jesperanza, look what you missed. Clean move right there. Your trade style completely clicked those loose threads for me. Awesome, Blair. Awesome. Took this trade at 555, way down here. Sold some right before that break of 573. After that, I targeted 5.9, $6. Did not think we were gonna make this big of a move after $6. So I think my last fill was 610 or something like that. Actually, I did come back, take a dip trade there, sold into the strength. A very small size on that one, only took 500 shares. Was up pretty good already, so did not want to lose or give profit back. So there was that trade. Now it looks like we want to curl back up for another high. Let's see if that's actually possible. New high is 6.8, so if we squeeze through 6.8, you'd be looking at $7 right around the corner. So let's see if we get up there or not. Are you trading again today? I'm still going to be looking. I'm still looking. I'm not done. If I see a good trade, by good trade, I'm saying RDBX way up here in this area again. If we get up here, then yeah. I'm not going to start buying random dips down here or anything like that. SIGA, unfortunately, did not play out. This one would have been... Holy crap, I just got the hiccups, guys. Sorry. INO failed. GOVX missed that first trade. There's a reason why I didn't take it. And here's, if everybody missed my reasoning on this one, I'll explain it real quick. So, this is a clean break squeeze, but you have this lower resistance first, right here, right? There's your lower resistance, and then there's your top resistance. You got two resistances back to back, right? A lot of times you squeeze through that first one and then fail, right? You try to squeeze through it and it doesn't happen, and you fail. See how once we broke down below it, same thing happened. You got right through it and fell. It's doing it right now. You go through right to it and then fail. You never get that second one. Once you get that second one and you break through that second one, that's kind of a cleaner move. But here, this one was looking pretty short by as was first market trade, so I wasn't sure how it was behaving, so I did not chase that one. You had a one candle break right there, didn't chase it. This looks very similar to IMMX last week, right? Look, I have it marked. Look at this. Pre-market 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts at that level. That's your top resistance. That's the one resistance that I marked on the other one, right here. That's your second resistance right there, right? So you get through that first one, you get spiked through it, thinking you're gonna get to the top one, fail. You did that about 4 times, right, on this one. You never got to that second one, but because this one had so many attempts, like look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, 6 attempts. The more you knock on that door, the more you're gonna open it, right? So this one, once I really saw that squeeze, even through that pre-market, I did jump in on this trade, 5,000 shares there for that squeeze. We didn't get followed through, so I made a little bit of money, stopped out on the rest. But that is why I jumped on that trade, and that is why I didn't jump on this trade. There's your resistance below, there's your resistance high, squeeze through. You could have jumped on that same candle, but it was the first move, the first time this happened. Didn't know if this was gonna get shorted and slammed back down. That's what I was scared of. So GOVX still playing the trend line. GOVX, yep, I do see that. Oh, now we break through that second resistance, right? Now we squeeze through that second one. RDBX, man, RDBX just gave us one play and then said I'm out. GOVX is making that move through $2.07. Let's see if we can actually hold this $2.07. Yep, that's exactly what I'm watching GOVX right now. Ooh, look at that move through 228. Can we get up here for move? Can we actually squeeze this one? That was a big pop. That was a big pop. Watch this next step trip, maybe. Close above 2.2. $15 seconds on this candle. Close above 2.2 is what I want. Close above 2.2 and we can get a dip maybe. It's pulling back a little bit too much, but let's see. There's that volume coming in as that candle's closing. 3 seconds left on this candle. Watch this next move higher maybe. Ooh, Oh, that was a big sellers on that pop. Yep. But let's keep watching. Let's keep watching. 2-2 is holding. A lot of buyers. A lot of buyers. I like to see that. I love the color green. I love the color green. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. 2-2 needs to hold. This candle needs to squeeze. This candle needs to just hold here. 20 seconds left on this candle. Come on. Can we hold this 2-2 level on this candle? Next candle will definitely keep moving up. I don't want to be a losing trade here. I don't want to have a losing trade here. No, this candle needed to close higher. Okay, okay.
The Rescue Rangers are back.
I'm going to take some out here. This might be a losing trade already. I sold half on that move.
It's an absurd amount of fun.
Yeah, I'm going to get out. Ugh, I lost $160 there. Ugh. A good trade, good setup. I would take that trade again, so no problem there. And I might have gotten out too early. I might have gotten out too early, didn't I?
Now streaming only on Disney Plus. Rated PG. Parental guidance suggested.
Socks are the
Let's
number
see.
one most requested item at homeless shelters. Underwear second, and shirts are third. At Bombas, socks were first, made with comfortable details for everyday wearing. Then underwear and shirts too.
Sniper Trade's got his order ready above 250 on this one. I don't know that we'll even get up to 250. This is pretty heavy right here. It looked decent. Every time it popped down, buyer stepped in. It looked clean for a second.
Get 20% off your purchase at bombas.com.
I'm gonna get in again. No! 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 I lost it all, guys! No! How did that happen? Oh, I'm gonna have to sell my Ferrari, guys. I have to sell my Ferrari. No, that hurts. Oh, that hurts so bad. Oh, that hurts so bad. That hurts so bad. Holy crap, that hurts so bad. That hurts so bad. Dang, that flushed. Dang, that hurt. That actually hurt, man. I should have just stopped trading. There's always a shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Dang, look at that flush. Oh my gosh, look at that flush. Holy crap. CBIO back to 115. Shorthead, do you want to sell me your Ferrari? Bro, I need the money. I need the money right now. No, dude. CBIO break of 115. This is the third time. It's part of trading, guys. Those flushes, I don't get caught on them often, but when I do, it hurts. Oh well. You can't do anything about it. I should have stopped trading and knowing up I was up $1,000. I should have just stopped trading. Go back to your job. I need to call him right now, dude. I need to call him right now. Look at that. I mean, I guess I have. I'm sure I have. But a flush like that, I hadn't seen it in a long time, dude. That candle flushed like the whole market open range. It just took it out in one candle. That's incredible. That is quite incredible. I buy in market orders. Yeah, that was definitely not a pretty candle. I haven't seen one of those in a long time. CBIO break of 115 again. Let's see if we can actually get a break of 115 on CBIO. That was kind of scary. That is not very common, guys. Flushes are common, but a flush that big is not that common. I'm scared that out of these other ones are going to see that and now start flushing down with it just the way that one did. So Let me go look at GeoVX. Yeah, that is a nasty flush. You don't see that often. You do not see that often, guys. Hey, you want to split half with me, Sniper Trades? You want to split half with me, please? give me a little bit of money, just off of Damn, that sucks, guys. I'm upset. I'm upset, but part of trading. Good thing I was up already, otherwise it would have been $1,000 loss on the day. I think now I'm actually red because of that, so that kind of does hurt a little bit, but this is the trading world. You win some and you lose some. Unfortunately, I lost it all back today just on that move. Ugh. And there's always, I should have, I could have, there's always something you could have changed. And you just can't get stuck on that, guys. You just cannot. This is the trading world, and this is what happens. You're always going to say, dude, I should have just gotten up of my desk and left and just not traded the rest of the day, right? Obviously, I'm streaming, so I was going to keep sitting here, but yeah, no, I'm upset, but I'm not pissed off upset, right? Like, yeah, I got stuck on a flush down and lost all of my profit and put me negative, but I know trading is like this. I know it can happen, so I wanted to see if RDBX actually makes another move. Why did it flush? Shorts, remember this candle popped up pretty nice, and then shorts were coming in pretty aggressively, and somebody just had a big order ready or something like that, or just slammed the sell button short and flushed it right away. So I took that trade pretty good too. I saw this green candle with volume close high. I took that trade somewhere in there, and then I stopped out somewhere down here. There we go, Manny. Hindsight's 2020, so yeah. Look at SPY. Go look at. I also triggered a lot of stop orders with that sell, making it a bigger drop. Yeah. So same thing when you get a squeeze like this one. A lot of people were probably in short. Probably had a lot of short orders here or stop losses for going short, and all those got triggered. So then you get that big squeeze through there. But yeah, unfortunate. No, yeah. It's open. Did it just keep flushing? That's ridiculous, man. That is a nasty. I'm so glad nobody jumped in on that trade with me. I feel bad that I lost money. I would have felt bad if one of you guys with lower small accounts or something like that got in on this one and lost it all, right? A good thing I cut it out fast. I never, once I get in a flush, I will never, most of the times, will never say, let me wait for that pop back up, right? Because you don't know that. I'm going to cut my loss, suck it up, whatever, put my pride aside or whatever, and just say, look, I'm stopping out at a loss on here. This is the same setup that I just jumped in on GeoVX, and I would have jumped in right here for that break of 115, and now I'm a little scared. Now I'm a little scared. Where did I get out at? That first flush jumped down to here, so let's see. 12, 18. Yeah, that first flush, I cut it out real fast. So actually, I didn't even lose that much. I took a big trade, that's what happened. Even though that was a nasty flush, I only lost 12. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. That doesn't make sense. Oh, no, it was this one. Okay, that makes sense. I was like, how did I buy 5,000 and then sell 10,000? No, so I bought in at 223. So right there, and it sold 212, 213. So the first flush, the first pop down, I sold there. So I really only lost 10 cents. 10 cents, that was it. Obviously a little bit over 10 cents, but oh, CBIO hit that new high, and obviously now everything is not looking pretty, so there's that rejection. So good thing I didn't try that. I would have gotten 1 penny of profit if I took that trade. So I actually stopped out. Guess you're gonna be gas for the Ferrari today. Bro, I need to find those TikTok people that always go to the gas station and they're like, hey, do you want to give me $5? And they're like, yeah, sure, here you go, $5. And they're like, actually, I'm joking with you. Here's 500. I need to find some of those TikTok people right now because I need some gas on my Ferrari. I need somebody to ask me, hey, can I borrow $5? And be like, yeah, here's 10. All right, here's 1,000 back. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about, right? Noe Knox got out for $65 profit on GOVX. Luckily, nice. Morte, Dead Cat bounce up to 109. Oh, Ali Concha, sorry, man, you took that trade with me. I'm sorry, Ali Concha. How much did I lose total, like on the day? I'm probably only down a couple hundred. Awesome, I'm fine with that, man. I'm only down probably a couple hundred. I'm probably only down 200, 290, I think. I'll give you an exact number if that's what you're asking. What was that first trade I took? Oh no, that was the trade I took first that I had that was up 171, so I can't count that. Never mind, I'm down a little bit more then. I thought that was the first trade I was on. I thought that was a different stock, sorry. I'm down 480 on the day. Ouch. There you go, Ali Concha. Good mentality there, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, so if you ever get caught in a flush, they're not likely. Like, this is usually a flush, right? Like, this is usually a flush like that. Obviously, this is a little bit more. But, I mean, in relation to the stock. Yeah, I am watching RDBX. In relation to the stock, right? This is a healthy flush, right? Like you hit new high and then flush down. Here is your support right there. You break through that. That's a flush, right? But look at this candle. Look at this candle. Look at this candle compared to this move, right? Like that's a decent sized candle, right? But look at this. I mean, that candle took out. One candle took out the whole morning. The whole morning, the whole pre-market, the whole stock, basically. That is not common, guys. That is not common. Not very common, so. CryptoWire over on YouTube said they also got red on GOVX, but they are green on CBIO. So right now, the only play I could look for is if RDBX starts getting back up here, and then I can look for another trade. If not, I'm not upset if I call it a day at negative $400. I took a big hit on GOVX, but part of the game. Luckily, I was green first, so that is saving me a little bit. Otherwise, I'd be down 1,200 on the day. But it's okay. It's okay. I just can't let it bother me. This is probably not gonna end up squeezing either, though. There's gonna be shorts piled in everywhere. And then momentum scanner is not even showing anything else now, so. Morte's out of here already, so thanks Morte for coming in here. The one time you should have shorted, GOVX, man. You would have gone a clean move there. Ape Traits is green on GOVX, RDBX, and Tesla got him red today. Okay.
We put them on pedestals. They've been our organic
Hopefully you're
bread and
still
butter
green
since
on the
we
day,
opened
Ape
those 2
Traits,
years
with
ago.
GOVX and
Sweet and
RDBX.
sour are on sale.
Overpowering that red loss on Tesla.
Through May 24th. Plus an
Sniper
extra
Traits,
10%
I always
off
like to
primary
remind
source
all
supplies
my
left.
friends, it's
From
super
Available
important to keep your
locations,
trade
see app
risk
details.
the same on every stock to be profitable in the long run. Correct. So,
Whole Foods Market.
and that was a little bit my fault. I took 5,000 shares on this one. I knew that the price movement on this one was going to be riskier. So 5,000 shares on this one was probably the same amount of risk as 10,000 on GOVX. Right, so
Let's set you up on Shopify. It's easy.
I always knew you would build your own business.
so yeah, so it came out to almost about the same profit because I was able to manage those share size. And that comes with experience, you know, when you have a stock that's moving up by tens of cents, you know, to decrease your share size a little bit. Obviously, hindsight 2020, if I took 10,000 shares here and 5,000 shares at the other one, I'd be up still on the day, right? But I wouldn't know that, and I wouldn't have known that, so. That is just annoying and frustrating. At least my account did blow up. No. I've never blown an account. Never blown an account. I've taken big hits before. I've taken big hits before. But also was able to. Sniper Trades, can you explain that a little more detail? Yeah, I don't know what the song is. Are you asking because it's a bad song, or are you asking because you want me to skip it? Because I mean, I've heard this song before, but. Oh, it's good. This is Pepas by Farruko. I feel like I've heard this song in like soccer matches or like soccer little like places, you know. I don't know. Dang it! And I had that clean trade on RDBX. I was like, I'm gonna post that on TikTok now because it was a clean trade, right? And obviously, if I post it on TikTok now, I feel bad because it looks like I made 900 bucks today when I lost money. So, but oh well, I'll probably still do it anyways. People don't care about my losses. Even when I tried putting losses on TikTok to be transparent, they're like, bro, what the heck you doing, bro? You don't know how to trade, bro. This. I'm like, yeah, whatever. I don't give a crap. Drop the title here. It's called. Song is Pepas by Farruko. So, Sniper Trades, I think somebody had a question for you. Noe Knox, can you explain that a little more in detail? I'll give him a second to see if he explains it. If not, I can kind of explain it. Shorting CBIO now. You're waiting for that crack of that pre-market body candles, $1 crack, yep. AXL just showed up on my momentum scanner. Probably low volume stock, yeah. I need RGBX to give me another move today somehow. I think Sniper Trades I saw him type in, so he might be coming up with an answer pretty quick. Come on, RDBX. Come on, RDBX. Give me something. Oh yeah, yeah. No, everybody trades different, guys. If you like my style of trading, you can learn off of me. If you like your style of trading, sniper trades. It's just what works for you. What works for everybody's gonna trade different. So still a clean trade, people can learn from Juan Trades. I'm learning how you snipe is too quick for me, but I do learn. Yeah. There's other people that snipe even faster than me because they're literally buying every breakout. Like here they'd be buying and selling, buying and selling. They'll buy it. If it breaks, good. If it doesn't break, sell it right away and then buy and back in. If it breaks it, take your profit. If it doesn't, sell it real quick. And they'll take like 2 or 3 trades for every little dip, every little breakout. Right? They'd be taking trades in here and here. They'd be buying it here again, but I don't do that because of flushes. I never know when someone that's gonna flush on me. Yeah, sounds funny, right? Look, but yeah. I'm out till power hour. Thanks for the stream, Han. Thanks, Blair. Thanks for coming in here. But I think what I was seeing if Sniper Trade was gonna reply. I saw him typing a couple of things. Maybe he's typing and then he's gonna send a giant thing, copy and paste it or something. Oh, that's what I had on here. Okay. So, I don't know that he's typing or not. What he's saying is, my risk to return ratio is basically not there. I never know where my bottom is every time I take a trade. The reason is because I'm sniping the times that I'm usually going to be right, correct? So I'm taking this trade here. Now if this would have flushed down here and just rejected, then I would get out of that trade. Up in here, I was moving that up here when I took this other trade up here. I took that trade there. My stop is if we break that right there below, right? Even if we go back half to this candle and keep pushing down, then that's my stop. I don't really usually... Oh, GOVX is on a little spike up now. Bro, that'd be crazy if GOVX comes all the way back up. There's no way it does that, right? Look at it. Dang you, I should have bought in that unhalt. I should have bought that unhalt resumption. There's no way this comes all the way back up. VRU is moving. VERU, I'm looking for... Who keeps calling me? This is the second time. Hello? Figured it was a scam, but they called twice back to back. That doesn't usually happen. I have an alert set on RDBX above 6.3. Looks like that is our little bit of a pivot point right here. So support up here, and now it's resistance. So if we get above 6.3, we can maybe look for a little bit of a dip trade and keep curling back up. CBIO hit a high of 116 and failed. Somebody was mentioning shorting a CBIO at the $1. If you crack below $1, maybe 99, then you could start looking for a short there. CNC's volume died out. GOVX somehow, if somebody bought that candle resumption, you'd be up a good 20-30 cents from that. So I never catch falling knives like that because I have no idea when the bottom is gonna be. So I left that alone. Somebody mentioned VERU just now, so VERU is crippling back up, but VERU is the one where I will not touch unless we get over $15. So here's that $15 resistance again. So let me see if you can see this on my screen. You cannot. So here it is, $15, $13. You were below it. Once you broke above it, you squeezed. Once you got below it, retested it, failed. You retested again, failed. You retested again, failed. Right? So you retested it 3 or 4 times. Now let's see if we can get back up to $15 and break it. Otherwise, I'm not gonna touch it. RDBX is the one I want. RDBX is the only one that I can find another good trade today. But other than that, I might just be calling it a day and be red on the day, even after this $814 win. That sucks. CBIO bouncing off that $1. Actually, that 99 that I was calling out, 99 was right here, this bottom down here, 99 cents. Bouncing off of that. GOVX. CBIO is the one that bounced off of 99 cents and pulling up pretty quick. Oh, I like this song.
Bebé, yo te conozco también, sé que fue para darme celos. No te diré quién, pero llorando por mí te vieron. Por mí te vieron. Déjame decirte.
Sniper Trades, are you still in here?
Se ve que él te trata bien, que es todo un caballero. Pero eso no cambiará que yo llegué primero. Sé que te va a ir bien, pero no te quiere como
Oh, wait. Oh, wait a second, guys. This is a 171 still profit, so I'm actually down less than 480. It was a different stock. I knew I was right. I'm only down $300 today. I'm only down $300 today. Oh my god, that just made me smile. I'm red, but I'm happy. I totally forgot. I thought GOVX was the one I initially made the $171, but it wasn't. Sorry, stepped out. So Sniper Trade, somebody was asking, Noe Knox had a question for you. If you could explain a little bit more what you said about the you having the risk on the same entry stock to be profitable. Hey, I'm actually only down like 300. That's not bad. So yeah, it was Noe Knox up here. You said it to remind, super important to keep your trade risk the same on every stock to be profitable in the long run. And then Noe Knox said, can you explain that a little bit more detail? I kind of gave the explanation of how I took 5,000 shares on RDBX, which for a volatile stock, 5,000 shares is a lot. For a less volatile stock like GOVX, 10,000 shares was about equivalent because this spread is not as big. So it would average about the same profit, which it did. I mean, 10 cents here, I lost 1,200, and then a couple cents here with 5,000 shares, a little bit under 1,000, right? So pretty similar. I mean, yeah, that's 400 difference, but still. One flushed on me and one jumped on me, so. RDBX again, back up to that 6.3. 6.3 on RDBX. This is a pretty strong resistance here. Let's see if they break it. We're breaking 6.3. Can we hold 6.3 though? That's an important question. That's an important question. Can we break 6.3 and hold 6.3? I would love for this to keep squeezing. I would love for this to get back up here. That would be amazing.
This month on Disney Plus, what you're about to see is gonna melt your brain. Experience the Force. Where is he? Fun
I love it.
and fantasy all month long.
RDBX still trying to crawl back up. Next pivot point might be 640s, 650s.
Quest and Marvel Studios Moon Knight. Embrace Disney Plus when Billy Metley Lisa, a new Simpsons short, and Disney's Sneakerella, original movie.
This is Destiny.
All of
Let's
these
see if
and more
RDBX
streaming
actually
this
has
month
the
on
steam
Disney
and the
Plus.
power to keep coming back up.
You're the one everyone
Oh, I don't
looks
want it to
for
do it like
answers.
that though.
Come rain or shine, the job must get done, and you're the one. who makes it
650 is
happen.
around the corner now.
We get you, Jackie in Fresno, putting your employee safety first, and Manny in Chattanooga, whose local Granger team knows him by name. We're here for you. and
Slowing
all the
down
ones
a
who
little
get it
bit,
done.
so now
With
sellers are
24/7
coming in
customer
here a
support
little
and
bit.
access to product specialists to help you find what you need. Call clickgranger.com or just stop by. Granger, for the ones who get it done.
Ella siempre estaba cuando tú no estabas. Fue tanto dolor que ya no la mataba. Poco a poco ya no te necesitaba.
I want to see if we get a retest of 6-3 if this doesn't want to keep pulling up like that.
Diciendo que fue falta de actitud, pero en esta relación hizo más que tú. Yeah. Y en un estado te manda a decir que ahora todo cambió. Le toca a ella. Mari, una botella. Gracias al maltrato se puso bella. Ahora tú la quieres y no te quiere ella. Y ahora todo cambió. Le toca a ella. Mari, una botella. Gracias al maltrato se puso bella. Ahora tú la quieres y no te quiere ella. Cambió, cambió y tú estás pagando. Se fue el balón y quiere seguir jugando. Mientras
RDBX broke 6-3 and now we're climbing up, so I'm gonna keep watching RDBX, see if we get up to 650.
con ese traje yo dudo que ya fallé. Siempre linda con o sin maquillaje. Siempre en línea automático el mensaje que
Maybe get back to 6-3 and take a dip in 3 at 6-3 maybe, but this is kind of an aggressive pullback, so let's see.
al maltrato se puso bella. Ahora tú la quieres y no te quiere ella. Y ahora todo cambió, le toca a ella. Mari, una botella. Gracias al maltrato se puso bella. Ahora tú la quieres y no te quiere ella. Y ahora todo cambió, comenzó por su estado. Ahora te toca esperarla sentado.
Wow.
Número, pa' que usted ni piense en llamar. Te toca extrañarla nada más.
650 break right here. Hit 650 to the penny, could not break it.
Prendió uno y te superó. Le pusieron la canción y gritó súbelo. Ella siempre estaba cuando tú no estabas. Fue tanto dolor que ya no la mataba.
Watching for break of 650.
Ella sonreía mientras lo enrolaba. Y tú
If this candle closes high, we got 15 seconds. If this candle closes high above 645, maybe take that next dip candle. And this candle's pulling back in the last 10 seconds. So let's see how these last 10 seconds look on this candle. No. It is not going to hold that move, so. Sniper Trades, you had an order already of 651 on this stock, on RDBX maybe, or no? I'm just asking to be curious, or are you done for the day? Because if you are, then I'd probably call it a day. You're up 1200, so that's good. Here's a break of 650. Ooh, that would have been nasty if you bought it. Wow, are we actually going to keep moving back up on RDBX? Can we get a new high on RDBX? Is this possible? Can we get a dip of 650 maybe? I'm chasing again, but this is curling back up. Watch this candle close. Now this candle has 10 seconds. Maybe a retest of 650 on this candle if we can close high. Pull back a little bit more. Oh, that dipped so fast. That dipped so fast, I couldn't even get in. That was your trade right there, almost another. Oh my god. We're gonna get $7, aren't we? I think I might just start getting in on this play. I'm in on that one. Let's see if we get another squeeze. Break of highs. Break of highs. Watch $7 maybe. I'm back in. Added a little bit more. Add a little bit more. Watch the 6-8 break. Takes them out. Takes them out. 3,500 shares left. Watch the break of $7. Watch the break of $7. Takes them out there now. 2,000 shares left. 2,000 shares left. Watch the break of $7. $7. 697. 697. 697. Can we break $7? Can we break $7? Up $1,900 on this stock right now. Taking a little bit more off. Have 1,000 shares left. Watch the break of 6.9. Hold 6.9. $7 is our target. Can we break $7? Sniper trades. I know you have an order ready at $7. So let me try to fill you in. Let me try to fill you in, please. 500 shares left. No, I'm gonna stop out. I am not red on the day. I am not red on the day. Let's go. Hey, Wild Boy, I need that Ferrari back, please. Give me that Ferrari back, man. I need it back. I'll pay you the gas this time. I'm calling it a day, guys. What a crazy day. I need to look at my P&L. I need to look at my P&L. That is amazing. Let's go. Awesome. This is why I love trading, guys. I love this. Look at that clean curl to a new high. That's like Kobe Bryant fourth quarter comeback. Nice trade. Darth Trader said, Jesus. Ali Concha said, I got 634. Didn't hold till the end. There you go, Ali Concha. You and I both lost on GOVX. And now you and I both won on RDBX. Clean trade through pre-high. I added 5,000 shares back up at, let's look at this. Let's look at this. I knew that this stock, since it started curling up here, 6.3 was the pivot point. I said 6.3. Dan said nice trade. 6.3. I said 6.3 starts opening up. We can get a new trade, right? Then we got the next pivot point, 650. I said 650, another psychological resistance. Break through that, we get higher. After that, I said, okay, now this is curling up. Look at this volume come in. I added a small position up here. Oh, actually, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 10,000 share. Oh, because I bought and sold twice. Okay, so I bought down here at 6. Yeah, that's what happened. That's what happened. So I added at 664 down here on this candle. Sold a little bit into that push. Didn't want to double top right before. My highest add of 5,000 shares at 674. 674, guys. Up here, 5,000 shares. Whew. Up $1,800 on this stock. I lost $1,200 on the other one, but made a little bit under $200 on the other one. So I am actually up probably another $700, $800 on the day. Clean. I want to look at my P&L. I want to look at this. I want to see what this looks like. Big old jumbo mess. Big old jumbo mess, right? Let's see. Import. Oh, I just logged out somehow. Don't save. Import trades. Select today's date. 5/23. Open. Upload. Journal. Up $700 today. Look at this P&L graph. Hold on, let me make sure. Let me make sure our DBX is not squeezing back up. Let me get rid of that because that gets in my way. All right, look at this P&L, guys. Up $1,000, down $300, up $700. That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. This is why you don't let those trades bother you. This is why GOVX flush. I said, good thing I was up already because I am not bothered by losing that much on that trade. I was not bothered. I didn't let it bother my head. Didn't let emotions kick in. I stayed calm. I waited for my next trade. I said, if I finish the red, $300 red, I'm fine with that. I'm fine. But I'm going to see if RDBX gives me another play. If RDBX gives me another play, I would gladly jump in there. So, Noe Knox, yeah. Let me Sniper Trade was answering your question. Does that kind of make sense? Noinox, let us know. If not, we can keep explaining a little bit more. Dart Trader said, I want to love it too. Dart Trader, man. You'll get there, Dart Trader. You'll get there. You'll get there. Blair said he stuck a little bit longer. Jess Bronson said, heck yeah, good trade. MDan4 said, nice trade. Fingers crossed. RDBX hitting my trend line. Let me look at your chart. Let me look at your chart. Yep. Did you add in pretty lower? Is that your blue arrows your ad? Who was in at 634? Ali Concha was in at 634. Ali Concha, where did you sell at? I hope you sold into that push a little bit. Pana goes up 6.5% so far. Noinox, are you in here still? Anybody on YouTube? I actually ended up closing that. Anybody watching from YouTube still? CryptoWire 247, are you still there? Noinox, yeah, go ahead and scroll up. Sniper Trades answered your questions. Hopefully he's being nice, asking you if you answer them correctly. So just on that trade, I added about an extra $1,000. He's in something right now. Hold on, he's making money. Give him a second. Noinox is making some money real quick. Dang, that sucks. That's right. I put my music back on, so that second trade on RDBX is gonna have music background, so it's not gonna have my original audio. Dang it. That sucks, but oh well. So I got in here 660 with 5,000 shares. Yeah, got 20 cents of profit on 5,000 shares. That's about $1,000. Juan trades, no trades for me yet, but I'm here witnessing your trades. Appreciate it, Jasperanza. I definitely chase some of these, but when you see that volume, so look at this also right here. Watch, no sideways consolidation. Look at that volume, right? It's actually going down. Watch that going down, right? And then you start squeezing and look at this volume pickup and look at that graph pickup. Then you consolidate again, right? Look at this consolidation and then look at that volume. It's decreasing again, decreasing, going down. And then that volume picks up even on these little big through 6.3 starts picking up, and you get that same replication on the chart, the pattern, right? The Contra got in at 634 and out at 648 when I saw it going down. Couldn't hold it to be on red. Hey, there we go. I still got a little bit over 10 cents of profit. AGRI trying to make new high of day. Is that the 34? It is. 35. Oh, this is a good candle here. Good volume, squeezing up. Get maybe a little bit of micro pullback. I like this song too. Let's jam together, guys. Now I'm done trading. I'm definitely not taking another trade. Just kidding. Let me look at this real quick. Ooh, that sucks. Low volume on this one though. Look at this sporadic volume. Like it's just all over the place. ¿Qué pasó, Juanito? Yeah, you're almost right. I'm gonna make another one this afternoon. I don't know about that. I've had a roller coaster of trading today. I think I need to take my $700 profit and walk away. CBIO is actually currently pretty good. Watch that 115. Last time we had a 115 triple top. We broke that. Only got 1 penny of squeezing, so didn't really squeeze. This song is fire, man. Oh, TiVo. So to spell that, you go like this. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? It's together. Together. Walk away, man, or go in with less shares, yeah. Today was a roller coaster of a trade. For those of you guys that jumped in here late, here's my profit for today. Up $1,000, negative 300, up 700. What's the roller coaster gonna do after you go up and down, up and down? Next time you go up, it's gonna go down, right? I'm getting off that roller coaster. I'm motion sick. I get motion sickness. I'm out. I'm just kidding. I don't like get motion sickness. I like roller coasters. RDBX play of the day. took trades on both of these big moves. Up there's a usual zoom right there. That's the second one today. Happens every day. Welcome to the stream. Sniper Trades has an order ready at 7:01 on RDBX. If it gets there, my stop would be 685 and profit 625, 649 area. That makes sense. Makes sense. We need some volume to come back in here. $7 was the break that I was looking for. Probably hoping for too much. This stock is already up $2 a share since we opened. So I probably could have taken some trades out a little bit higher up here, but $7 was right around the corner. So I thought, just like here when I said $6 around the corner, I said $6 around the corner, we can get $6 break. It broke $6, pushed up another 20 cents, got halted, and then resumption halt pushed another 30 cents, right? Crazy move right there. So Sniper Trades got that order ready on RDBX. Good job. Tivo said, oh, I grew up in New Mexico school system. Worst is the country, LOL. That's why I'm moving to Texas. Hey, what part of Texas are you moving to? What part of Texas are you moving to? Today was such a cool day, guys. I'm glad you guys got to witness that. Corpus, okay. You gonna do some offshore fishing over there or what? Offshore fishing, catch some red drums over there, some snappers. What else do you catch over there? Clean moves on RDBX. This is awesome. Where am I from? Originally, I am from Mexico. Corpus Christi is my... Wait, Sniper Trades, where do you live? Are you in Texas also, Sniper Trade? There's actually a lot of people in here from Texas. Can I do a poll with open... yes, sir. Just happy to leave the land of entrapment. Oh, Sniper Trades, you're in Houston. Do you like fishing a lot, Sniper Trades? Like offshore fishing or no? Can I do a poll where everybody comments where they're from? Or do I have to type in the answers? Let me see. Question. Where are you located? Possible several answers. If I leave it empty like this, does anybody know if I leave the answer choices empty, do y'all get to write y'all's own? Flashing lights from Germany. Awesome, man. What time is it over there? Okay, well, I guess y'all are answering on the chat, so appreciate it. If anybody knows, I'm sure some of you guys come over from Sean Deckmar Strait, so I wanted to see if I make a poll and don't give you the option choices, if it lets you put your option choice, so. Tivo is telling me to try it. What are you telling me to try? Just happy to leave the land of entrapment. Louisiana. Debbie's from San Antonio. That is where I am from. Atlanta, but living in Kauai. Connecticut. No, he's from Connecticut. So we got 2 or 3 people from Texas. Juan Checkers is from South Texas. Germany. I want to know what time is in Germany. Oh, try leaving the answers blank. Let me see. Central Cali. People from everywhere here. Create a poll. Let's see. Where are you located? Alright, possible several answers. Let me check that off. Oh, no, I have to put it. It doesn't even let me. It says there are empty answers. So I have to fill in the answers for you guys. So that would be impossible. I'm not going to sit here and type every state. It's about to be 5 p.m. here in Germany. Dang, I cannot imagine trading it later in the day. I'm kind of glad my time, I'm kind of glad that where I live, it's just 8:30 in the morning, you get up, you trade, and then you got the rest of the day. I'm also not glad it's freaking, like California, because for them it's probably like 5, 6 in the morning, right? Wait, somebody's in Cali, right? What time is it over there? Somebody said Cali. 4 p.m. here where traffic is. There, yeah. You would love trading at 5 p.m. Then I can work a day job too. That's also true, yeah. Yeah, that's right. It's 5 a.m. here. You love it? Darth Trader, that is commitment, guys. I don't know that I've ever would have gone into trading if I had to wake up at 4 in the morning every day. I don't know that. I don't know. I actually think that's why I left Forex. 'Cause I remember some of those sessions were like overnight. I'm like, I'm not doing that. Hawaii, baby. Dang, Dark Trader from Hawaii. I need to book a trip to Hawaii over there. Imagine your trading setup at the dinner table. It's 11 p.m. in the Philippines now. Now that sounds kind of cool. You have all day. Yeah, bro, let's come out here. Let's kick it, dude. I would. It's call it. It's 8 a.m. Yeah, that'd be kind of cool, dude. Dude, that'd be kind of cool. Trading at 11 p.m. You just have all day to yourself. You can work a job if you want to. You don't have to work a job if you don't want to. If you're successful, and then just late at night, just kind of grind day trading and stuff. Although that would kind of suck because that's when I play video games. I play video games at night, so maybe I'd have to flip it around and get up early and play games, and then come back later in the day and trade, right? By the way, I'll be taking Friday off to start my Memorial Weekend early, heading out to Fredericksburg, Texas in the wine country, renting out a cabin for a 3-day weekend. Awesome, man. Is that kind of like a friend activity, wife, yourself? You need some time to yourself to spend all your profits. What is that for? We can link up and do some live trading on Tradecaster right now from Hawaii or the hotel or whatever. Post up on the beach and trade. That'd be cool. I do want to book another trip. Maybe eventually, if I get more following and stuff, I'll do kind of like a thing like Sean does, kind of like a event, or even his event, and just kind of meet a couple of you guys in person. That'd be kind of cool later on. Wife and friends, awesome, Sniper Trades. Hope you have fun. I actually have a bachelor party this weekend as well, but I think I will still be trading Friday, but I might just call it off a little bit earlier on Friday, and then go to that. So doing some Top Golf, doing some go-karts, just fun stuff, renting an Airbnb, and probably play some games, some video games, some board games, stuff like that. So kind of excited. Rosendo went to Europe in October and did a few trades while out there. It was pretty cool to be able to trade around 8 p.m. Oh, that's right, yeah. I work from 7 to 3 and come to trade at 4:30. That's cool too. Awesome. That's cool, yeah. So that was kind of my dilemma because it is 8:30, so I was still trading and then going to job at 10, but then I just lose all day. So now officially first day of full-time day trader, up $700, enough to pay my gas for my Ferrari for 2 weeks now. I'm doing it good. So let's see. We should do a fishing trip, dude. Don't even get me started. Bachelor party means you better get that account up for the weekend. You're right. I still have to pay the guy because my best friend is the one planning it, and he kind of paid it off on my end for right now, but I still got to pay him back. But yeah, the fishing trip sounds fun. RDBX seems like it wants another move. Yeah, just wait for it to keep squeezing up. Look at this right here. These candles are a lot more choppy. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles choppy, where it pops up and pulls down, pops up, pulls down, and as opposed to these candles, pops up, closes high, pops up, closes high, pops up a little bit less, pops up, closes high, closes high, closes high, right? These are closing half the candle, lower than half the candle, right? And then it's still following little steps. So there's a step and there's a step. You only got through 2 and barely. As opposed to here, I mean, that's just a different monster right there. No, I ended up not going fishing, dude. I was gonna take my wife, and she ended up not wanting to, so she said maybe in 2 weeks we can go, and then I chickened out to go by myself. So I ended up not going fishing. Yeah. Do a trader's fishing trip sometime in the future. That'd be cool. Let's plan on that. Let's do a fishing trip. Yeah, I'm married. I am married, yep. SPY keeps testing. Let's look at SPY. I have some I think if SPY here got a little bit of a downtrend going on SPY, things are probably still gonna keep getting worse before they get better. So SPY anywhere up here at 397 probably matches up with 400. Probably pull back down, right? That's what I'm thinking. There's that little downtrend resistance right there. He's married to the trading game. This is what I do. The first thing I look at every morning. I wake up and I'm here. Juan, you look familiar. Were you part of off the chart trading? I think that is where I have seen you. No? No, I've been on the down low since I started trading. I wanted to make sure I knew what I was doing. I was making money before I went public and doing all these things. So no, I was kind of by myself until about early this year. I started making TikTok, started making my Discord, all that stuff. So maybe you're just confusing my my face. So, Dart Trader, are you engaged? Almost married? Soon to propose? What does that mean? He's married to the trading game. That was funny. No, Manny, 77-335. I do not engage, bro. Awesome. When is your wedding? Do you have it planned out? Do you have a date already? You're getting bored shorting CBIO. Anyone else in it? Did you short that top, that 116? I mentioned this stock was pretty heavy up here. Triple top on 115, 115 broke, got 1 penny higher. Then you hit 116 again, it came down. Okay, that's cool. Well, hope planning goes well and your wedding goes well, and keep us up to date, man. Traffic said, I was watching RDBX consolidation above VWAP. Let me go look at RDBX again for you. So, are you talking about this one down here? Or are you talking about this one up here? Krazil is shorting Siga all morning. If you short it, market open after that uptrend broke, you're in profit, man. Good job there. No, I think we will go back down on Siga. This is too much of a... You do have a downtrend if you go on here. If you go here, pre-market, not the high, but that pre-market trend line there again. Maybe you get up here, and once you get over that trend, I'd start looking for a long curl back up. But for now, we're probably going to consolidate off of yesterday's highs and this trend line. So we probably will just go sideways on this one right here. That's what my guess is. If we get to this point and we squeeze above it, then you can look for a curl back up through here. But if you get to that trend line and it's still acting as a pretty strong sellers and you break that yesterday's highs, you will flush right there. So watch that trend line right there. You're also engaged after 11 years? Oh my god. You got in at 107 for a short on CBIO and you're waiting for that $1 crack. Yep, that $1 crack on CBIO is the place to be. Like I said, you want to be in short early. Expect that. If you don't break it like you did in here, then you can at least take some profit, right? So if you were short, you'd covering there. If you don't get that break, then you at least get some profit. If you get the break, you have runners for that, right? Somebody gave you a little ring. I'll give you a ring too. Let's give Darth Trader a little ring too. He's engaged. Engaged, man. Soon to be married. How do I do this? There we go. A little ring for you as well. I love doing this thing, guys. This is fun. Oh, look at that crack on RDBX. Look at that crack on RDBX. I mentioned this move right here does not look nearly as healthy as these moves do. Oh, there's a third time zoom every single day. There's one right there. This move does not look as healthy as this move and this move. 2 two things. Candles are popping up to a certain level and not breaking it or holding it, and candles are closing low, right? So look at this candle pop, closes halfway, pop, closes a little bit over halfway, closes halfway through it, closes less than halfway, and then one candle closes high, right? Another thing is look at that volume on those little bit of a rally. Very low volume down there, right? As opposed to here, candles are closing high, closing high, closing high, micro pullback, closing high, closing high, closing high, stronger volume down there. Volume is increasing as we're getting higher, and same thing for that first move down there. So this is actually a very good volume. Very good volume. Let me see. Example. Let me mark that 6-3 line again. File, save as, volume, example. Save it. Close it. Alright. Alright. Yeah, I hope nobody was in on RDBX on that. You also have an uptrend right here. And that was your key to go short. That's why that happened. Right there, uptrend. Resistance, support, support, support. You broke that uptrend right there. This tiny little candle right there closed below it. That's your entry to go short. That's why that happened. Alright, let's go. Cheers with my cup of coffee in the air to being engaged and getting married, bro. So much to look forward to in life. Just need to get better at trading to be able to do the things I want to do. Dart Trader, you'll get there, man. You will get there. Just stay consistent. Don't blow your account up. Be profitable with small amounts, and then you can look up to scale up higher, right? Everybody tells you every day trader blows an account. No, you don't have to. You don't have to blow an account to trade. You don't have to blow an account to be profitable. I never did. Take it slow and you'll get there. Do your research. Do your every day. Find trades that you could have taken here. Yeah, that's the pivot point. 550, obvious psychological pivot point. Get in there. You knew the high of days yesterday was only 20 cents away. You played a little bit aggressive, right? Here, same thing. Volume picks up. You're getting pivots. The 6-3 was the first pivot. After 6-3 gave away of this consolidation right here, then you opened up, start going back up. Analyze the trades you took, you didn't trade, you took and you didn't take, and then figure out what to do. Right? So actually, I think I'm up still on my Blair. I think Blair took off for the day. But let's see. I am on a pretty nice win streak. It doesn't even show. I have to literally exit. I have to click the next page to see it. $500 profit, $184 profit, $300 profit, $784 profit, $46 profit, $344 profit, $716 profit. Profit, profit, profit. Dang, today would have, I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days green in a row without counting that Saturday option plays that somehow I made some money because my options expired and I made some money on that trade when it sold. So without that, up 9 days in a row green. And those 9 days, I'm probably up, let's see, I can actually filter it. 11 to the 23rd, filter, detailed. Last 9 days, trading days, up $4,400. So a little bit less than 2 weeks. So averaging a little bit over 2K a week. Let me ask this: have you ever used the moving average crosses to look for an entry on stock? You can, but not on the 1 minutes. I don't usually look at the 1 minutes for those type of plays, right? Especially because my entries are pretty spot on, like snipe trades, like not sniper trades, like my snipe trades. Noe Knox was saying that I snipe the tops, right? So usually my trades are not even close to moving averages unless I'm buying dips. Like this trade right here, there's no moving averages anywhere close to that, right? Which my other trade today, RDBX, up here, right? No moving averages close to it. Maybe that 90 EMA, but once you start opening it, my other trade up here was, oh my gosh, guys, I get tired of doing that crap. There has to be a setting where I can turn that off. Other trade up here, no moving averages closed, right? And then other trade here, always on top of, oh wait, no, it was higher. Always on top of those moving averages. All the trades that I trick are for squeezes of higher highs or something like that. So usually I'm always going to be pretty above those moving averages. Yep, yeah, there you go. So that's exactly what I was saying. Sniper trades hit the spot. And same thing for him. He buys those psychological resistance. He's not buying those dip. He's buying the full-on squeeze. So he right now would have an order ready at $7, right? $7, you break the $7, you're most likely going to get 10-cent move, 20-cent move above that, right? So he's not even looking to see where the moving averages are or anything like that. Moving averages, I'm in the same boat too, yeah. So moving averages are good to maybe see like a little bit of a dips. So here could be one close to the 90 EMA. Oh, as far as that, I would probably only use the 90 EMA, buy dips off the 90 EMA. I guess you could see maybe a crossover here. You could have signaled this moving higher, but not really. But for longer time frames, they do work pretty good. CBIO is coming back up to that 116. Maybe this is an actual knock on the door that breaks it down, right? But if you're looking at higher time frames, yeah, like for example, let me go look at SPY on the 184 hour, right? So here's your crossover right there, 9 and 15, crosses over, next dip you buy right there, crossed over right here, next dip you sell right there, right? And then you can use even a bigger time frame, use the 50 with the 180. So 50 EMA, or I think I have the 70 EMA right there, crosses that 180 right there. Here's your entry, goes short, right? And then once you get that cross of the 180 and the 70, it tends to stick closer to the 70s, the 50s than the actual 180. So if you're on that, if you're on the uptrend, if you're on the downtrend crossover right there, short closer to that 70 50 EMA right there, right? So there's one. So here we go. You get that crossover right there. Why can't I circle? You get that crossover right there. Here's your short of that 50 70, and here's your short of that 50 70 again, right? You're below that 180 right here. Here's your short right there. Now it's not obviously gonna work out all the time, but here you're above it. It trends way higher. I feel like moves up rally faster than moves down. So every time you get a move up, it rallies, like barely pulls back, as opposed to a move down, you get pretty healthy pullbacks like that. Like watch this downtrend here, that's a pullback, that's a pullback, that's a pullback. This little run right here is a break of that downtrend, I guarantee you right there. There it is, right? It rallies. So this is probably what I'm expecting here with SPY. Everybody's saying a recession's coming. I don't know that we would get it back up to here. Maybe off this trend we break down lower again. Maybe we break a little bit higher and then go up to 400s, 410s, and then the next leg down, right? Oh, there's that CBIO play. Didn't I just say that the more you crack that door, the more you break it? The more you crack that door, the more you break it. Especially with that volume come in, man. Look at that volume. So sniper trade, same thing. 9 EMA, 25 and 50. Yep. And that's another thing, guys. If you're a complete beginner, I'm not saying you are dart trade. I'm not saying you're a complete beginner, but you have to pick kind of the style that you want to trade. If you want to trade, Jess Bronson calling out CBIO. Did you take any trades on that? Did you trick any? But does not work all the time. Yeah. So it kind of depends on what kind of trader you are. I am solely price action trading, so I'm looking very short term, quick scalps, right? Therefore, I don't use RSI. I don't use RSI. I don't use the MACD. I'm not going to use stochastics. I'm not going to use crossover EMAs, SMAs. I'm not going to use Bollinger Bands. I'm not going to use all of these things, right? Because I'm solely watching price action, right? Quick scalps, quick trades, all of that. There's people that do swing tradings. Maybe RSI comes a little bit more into play. Maybe a MACD tells you, okay, we're really on the downtrend. Maybe this downtrend's about to end. Take a trade here, you know. but that's more of swing trading, stuff like that. So as far as a 1 minute chart, I don't think any kind of indicator is going to help you on a 1 minute chart. There's just no way RSI and no way MACD help you on the 1 minute. For one, they're indicators, so they're meant to lag. They're meant to be behind price action, all right? The only thing you're watching when you're trading that's real time is that candle ticking, that price going up, that level 2, all of that, right? When the stock cracks at 90 MA, you can get out. The MACD also indicated a crossover, which is a second confirmation to enter long, and the time and sales squeeze shows the stock. Let me look at your chart. Oh, you're looking at the crossover of the MACD. I see. Yeah, you're right. That MACD also called that downtrend consolidation and then started turning green. Pretty cool, man. Yeah. Look at trades like that and keep analyzing. Go back and look at other squeezes like that. So go back and look at, I don't know, like whenever you find something that you think works like that, look at it every day on every stock and say if it's working 70, 80, 90% of the time, then that's something I can rely on, right? Obviously, that would never tell you this would happen, right? It will never tell you this would happen. But let's see if that one also predicted this move. This one right here, the consolidation, and then that rise back up on GOVX. I know you can't predict that flush, but maybe this consolidation here, up, consolidation up, because that seems more like a 1 candle, 3-4 candle move. So how did I do today? Bro, James, you're missing out, man. Today was a crazy day. You can see right there, I'm down 1,200 on GOVX. If that's all you see, you're like, oh my god, this guy just lost 1,200. I actually made money today. I'm up 700 and something dollars. So first trade today was CBIO. Took a trade. I don't even remember where I took this trade. Somewhere in this area probably. Maybe even down here. I don't remember. Let me look. Yep, right to exactly where I thought. So that was my first trade, up 177 on the day. Then I went over to RDBX. RDBX. I rode this whole thing with 5,000 shares. Took profit right before that break of 73. Got in a little higher again, added right back in, and then break of $6. Sold into 610. Got halted. I was out way before that halt. At that point, I was up $900, $985, almost $1,000 a day. And then I went over to GOVX and disaster happened. 10,000 shares right there, flushed on me. Instant cut it out. Instant got out of that trade. I'm not waiting to see if it bounces or anything. When I see a flush like that, I'm out. I'm closing it. Got out right there for a $1,200 loss. At that point, I was now negative on the day. But I said, I'm not going to let it bother me. I just got my profit back. I'm right on the day. That's fine. I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it, right? It's part of trading. It's going to happen sooner or later. You don't see that often. The fact that I was caught on a halt, down, flush like that, it's very rare, right? It's very, very rare. I can't let that bother me. It's not something I see every day. I'm fine with it. I stayed calm. I waited for my setup. I said 6.3 on RDBX. If we get over 6.3, we might start squeezing. We might start opening up, right? Got in back in on here, 5,000 shares. I think 10,000 shares total. I bought in, sold, bought in again, 5,000. Sold. Looking for the break of 7. Did not get it, so that last 2,000 shares I stopped at a little lower, so it didn't help me there. But I made $1,000 on that trade there, so crazy day. I was up 1,000, down 300, up $700-800, so crazy day. Yep. I think trend lines are the best. Trend lines tell you your entries and exits. When you know your entries, you can put in a stop loss. Correct. Yep. So there's that trend line right there. Look at that. Here's the trend line here, and there's that squeeze of an ascending triangle. You see it when you get, oh frick, when you see a move like this, right? Price is getting pushed up to that same line. Eventually will break like that, right? That's what you're seeing there. And then when you see that trend line crack to the downside, right there, that's your short entry. You're asking me, why the heck did this flush happen out of nowhere? Because of that. Buyers are here, buyers are here, buyers are here. The second that trend line broke right there with this candle popped up close low, shorts piled in and buyers bail. They said, skedaddle, I'm out, right? That's why that flush happened. So yeah, I do like trend lines a little more. Price action tape. Yeah. Yeah, that was kind of scary when I was down. I was like, oh my god, I think I need to call him right up and tell him I might be applying back soon. I was right on the day. I was like, bro, I think I need to come back to work. I took trade on GeoVX at 932 inch at 196 and out at 220. There you go, Chaffet. Good trade. That's over 20 cents of profit. Good job. Most of my trades, I did barely even get 20 cents. 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents. Unless you get a stock like RDBX, then yeah. Good trades there. Awesome trading day. Today was very fun to trade. Very. Dark Trader, does that kind of answer your questions on MACD, RSI, stuff like that? Like, yeah, it helps. A lot of people use it. I kind of stayed away from it and kind of did me a good favor in learning price action. But if you're playing the trend line, the swing plays, stuff like that, even on the 1 minute, like you're seeing consolidation, you're kind of getting a clue that this might open up in a little bit. If it works out for you, great, man. There's not one way to trade stock. There's 1,000 different ways to trade stocks. Strategies, indicators, EMAs, like level 2. A lot of people use level 2. Unfortunately, I don't. I don't use level 2 as much as I probably should, right? Okay, let's see. Let's see your trade on that GeoVX. Yep, that crossover happened pre-market. There we go. And then that MACD also showed that downtrend and that consolidation and the cross right before it. You're right. Yeah. You got kind of a little bit of a fake out on that second circle on that bottom one where it started showing red, and that's the point it squeezed. But it looks good. Definitely looks good. Looks good. I just know from experience, if it works out for you, good. But in experience, the most important thing you can learn, is the price action. The way you see a candle pop up and reject, the way you see a candle dip and buyers come in, the way you see a candle near areas, the way you know how these candles right here are closing and the bodies are pulling back to a certain level. Once you see that first candle, like right here, right? You have 6.3, but then look at all these candles right here at 6.26, right? First candle to close above it was this one. That's your entry there, right? 6.3 high. Stuff like that.
Save on dinner staples at Whole Foods Market. Get organic, air-chilled, boneless, skinless chicken breast for $7.99 a pound through May 24th. Plus an extra 10% off for Prime members while supplies last. Learn more on the Whole Foods Market app.
The Rescue Rangers are back.
Critics everywhere can't get enough of Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers.
More, please. More, please.
It's an absurd amount of fun and hilariously meta.
You're the talk of the town. We've got heat. I'm thinking reboot.
Mulaney and Sandberg are perfect.
What? That's crazy.
Just a tool to maybe help some, but like you said, price action is number one. Yep. So I don't know that I'm going to sit here trading. I don't think I'm going to check another trade. I've had enough of a roller coaster of emotions and trading today. I know it's my first time here. It stayed a little bit longer than usual. I have to take a dog to the groomers. Not until later, but I'm going to enjoy some time and eat some breakfast. That's what happens when you get to trade at 8 a.m. I'm not a morning person, so I'm not waking up at 7 in the morning, right? So I have not eaten anything, so I'm going to grab some breakfast. I may or may not come back for Power Hour, but just the emotion roller coaster I had today with the day trading, I think I'm gonna call it and not even. I'll come back and look at it maybe. I'll be on the Discord and say, hey, this stock looks good. Maybe enter here. This is your support. But other than that, I probably will be done trading today. I also want to start making my cores and just all the other stuff that I needed the time to whenever I was officially a full-time day trader, right? All these other things that I want to do. So any last minute questions you guys have? Any trades you want me to recap that you did, or if you missed my trades, I can check them out real quick. Any trades that you took that say, hey, I don't know why this happened. Did you quit your job? Yeah, I did. Today was my first day officially being a full-time day trader. Yes, I did. So yep. So, yep, appreciate it. Thank you, man. Thank you. Wish you all guys the best, too. I'm here to help you guys learn and be profitable. So, really, don't hesitate to ask a question. Somebody else might have it. A lot of you guys ask me questions on DM or personal Discord. That's fine. I'll help you out. I've answered all of them. But are you coming back after lunch? I gotta take my dog to the grooming, and then I'll come back. I don't know that I'll keep trading. I'll see what the market offers. But other than that, I might start doing some other things like my chords and videos and all that stuff, you know. I got a Discord. Yeah, I have a Discord. Let me see. A lot of people aren't very active on my Discord, which I like it fine because it's not like a spammy one. But here, let me send it on the chat. Stormy. Invite people. Edit invite link. Expire. Never. Generate new link. Copy it. Go over to. Dang, I didn't mean to open Trade Labs. Tradecaster. Go on here. And paste the link for you guys. There we go. That's my Discord. So any questions, guys, over the days, like rest of the day, anything like that, go ahead and hop in there and ask me. Other than that, crazy trades today, guys. Crazy trades. I definitely need to make a TikTok of those trades. Sadly, that second one that I took on RDBX, my audio is not going to be the original one because I was playing music already, so I have to mute it. But that first one definitely got my audio, and then I might even post that a flush just because it's funny. I'm laughing about it. That's awesome, man. $1,200 loss and I'm cracking. CBIO last push. I see it. Does anybody know? I think Sean is back trading today, right? He's back on his live today. I don't usually have time to watch him trade, so I might check him out as well now since I usually had to dip and get out of here, right? So I might be on his stream a little bit. So all right, guys, appreciate you guys being here supporting me. First day trading full time. I don't plan on stopping this, so hopefully you guys keep coming in here, keep learning. He got in a few long-term holds. Okay. Yeah, he keeps predicting that we're gonna hit the bottom soon. I think we still got a little bit more to go. So, but he also got a lot more money than me. I can't be putting in every dip, right? He's putting in every dip, and he'll be set. So, we're definitely gonna pull back a little more, I think, and then in the next years we're gonna recover, and you're gonna be making a lot of money if you invest in the long term for those. So, with that being said, guys, I am going to head out. Oh wait, what? Yeah, we just got more bottom to go. I think so too. What's up, Dark Trader? Oh wait. Espérate. ¿Qué pasó? You get involved in Amazon and Google split. Actually, I had a spread open on Amazon to the downside. Let me see why I had it. Oh, right here. Uptrend right there on Amazon. I think it came up to that 70 EMA. I opened a put spread to come back down and hit these lows and hopefully hit those lows. So I think I have a below 2100. I think I make or lose 200. So I'm actually kind of hoping this pulls back a little bit more. But if we keep making higher lows right here, this might get above that 180 and start rallying. But it's going to depend to the market, man. This is a big sell-off here. But I'm definitely excited for it to split, man. You buy these stocks pretty cheap. You can buy several of them now and play some options or something like that. Heck yeah. That kitty in the background. Yeah. Oh, you're talking about the music. Never mind. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. This market might keep pulling back. So watch CBIO. We got one move and then failed, and now we're back up. So watch those. Pretty shorts. A lot of shorts in those stacked up. So guys, appreciate you guys being here. Bad Bunny, and you know this. Yeah, that's the music I'm playing. So I'm gonna head out, enjoy my breakfast, enjoy the rest of my day. If you're in Germany or somewhere else like that, enjoy your night, man. I gotta think of that too now. It's not enjoy the rest of your day. It's you have a good night. So you have a good night, whoever was in Germany and all that stuff. Manny, was that you? That was you, right, Manny? Time to go to sleep, Manny. Awesome, awesome. Love it. Alright guys, thank you guys for being here. I'm going to call it a day. $700 profit. Good trading today. Big roller coaster up and down and up. So I'm going to... Oh, that was not you. You're in Florida. Okay, so you're an hour ahead of me. So you're at 11:35. You're sleep talking. It wasn't him. It wasn't him. Somebody else was it. It was somebody else. I thought it was him too, but... They're probably already in bed, whoever it was. Whoever was in Germany, they're probably already sleeping. They probably fell asleep trading. Whoever that was, right? Alright guys, ciao Panagos. Welcome back into stream. Let me see if anybody else had some questions on YouTube. I forgot to close that out. No, that was it. So appreciate you guys being here. I'm gonna head out for the rest of the day and enjoy my day or night wherever you live. So Dart Trader, thanks for being in here. Sniper Trades, good trading today, man. Good trading, up $1,200. Good job there. Hasta mañana, amigo. Nos vemos. Nos vemos. Sniper Trades, if you're still in here, good trading day. Mercer was in here again. Joey, Blair, everybody. Wild Boy, good job. Good hints on those theta decays, Wild Boy. So see you guys tomorrow, and y'all have a good rest of your day.